Guys, we are in my storage. This is my materials for new project, the summer collection. The 2x8 and 2x6 and 2x4 and 1x4. Okay, this is my materials to transfer to other storage and other project for this. So, for now, we need to save this as long as we keep it, because it is a lot of money to if you making a build a project. Okay, see, for legs, for brace or stand. See, this is almost new. See how many pieces of this for. Okay, so this is my stuff in my storage, so I wanna transfer and move now. Hopefully temporary at the house, because there's some issue in the house about the owner between me. So we need to transfer. Almost done. We have 3 days more, 4 days up from now. Okay, so this is my storage now to move to other storage. Okay, so we do it now. Okay, we move one by one. Transfer naman. Siguro nagkaabang yun. Pinagtabi siguro ni Pogi yun. Tingin mo. Kaya nagkitis ng taklos doon. Cool na cool lang. Nagtatabi siguro yun. Kasi pag yung karelyebo na bumalik ng alas 4, pwedeng ano yun eh. I-save niya yun eh. Kasi puro karton naman din eh. Pero wala rin eh. Babaka sakali lang yun. Sabi mo, kailan namin pwede makita? Gusto mo na sa dating building, ha? Siyempre, makikita mo na naman si Stacy nun. Kwento mo lang, sabi mo, kwento nangyari. Sabi niya, kasyosyo pala namin yung nangyari. Ibinabanggit pa sa 7,000 eh. Hindi mo pakilam mo sa 7,000 sinasabi mo. Kung sabihin pababayaran mo sa akin 7,000 na sinasabi mo. Ang dami na pala. Gagawa-gawa ka ng traktadong eh, nabuking ko eh. Dahil yung sinasabi lagi sa akin. Hindi mo at pabuking ka. Kaya pala patay palagi ilaw. Parang di alata. Patay palagi ilaw. Nakakatagal at hindi. Tapos nakapagit ka di ba? Red? Paano umiilaw yung red so? Umaga walang kuryente. Yan, lumabas na sinisya sa wala. Lumabas na yung itik na sa wala. Yung salitang solar. Dahil nanakap ka. Wala ko kasi iba, itapo na sa baratay. Natuloy na tayo. Diba maraming din yun? Diba? Ang estimate to, mga 3 balik, 2 balik na lang to. Problema to, saan ito isang ito ilalagay eh. O sabi ko kaya yung may-ari ng ng karwas. Bayaran ko na ng buwan-buwan. Bi-weekly, 25. Hanggang di Pero pag nakausap ko sa bodega, baka direct ako nakaragad to doon. Kalimutan ko kanina, dahil kasing gagawin eh. Abay na lang tayo, pag-isipan ko. 2x6, 2x4, 2x4, 1x6. So that's all for now, because we need to remove the big table and the other 4 legs for our new project. So this is we finish this until Saturday, the 2x6, the 2x8, and it's almost brand new. And then mixing with treated wood, 2x6 and a 2x4 with a 2x8, okay, and 1x8. So we need to keep this for the next project, hopefully at the end of September. Okay, see you guys. So that's it. So if you want to save your money, if it's low at work and no extra income, no part-time, so if you have no part-time, you need to do something this summer to make money, like restoring your project. If you have knowledge in painting and carpentry, even not totally especially, shape specialty of carpentry, as long as you can paint, you can fix it or assemble. That's what I'm doing in online selling. So later, we put my old tables in direct selling in my garage. Okay, see you guys. That's all. Subscribe and click the button for the notification bell for upcoming latest video to how to make money or online business or online selling in your area. Okay, see you guys. That's all.